Our workshop is about digital shop best practices, right? A lot of people come out and get started with AutoVitals and they buy it as an inspection tool. And really what this workshop is designed to do is show them that it's much more than just a tool. It's a way to run the shop in the digital age, attract more customers, sell better to those customers, and keep those customers loyal to their business and coming back and staying loyal to them for a long time.
Trainings like this kind of help open your eyes to what else is possible and the thinking that's already been done by AutoVitals. It's just a matter of inserting it and applying it and making sure that you're utilizing it for the growth of your business.
We've got a good customer base, I've got good technicians. Now it's getting them to apply what AutoVitals can do for us. And that's the trick. That's really why I'm here. How am I gonna do this?
Coming to these workshops really enables us to get one-on-one time with the developers. The owner, Uva, is very involved in these workshops and takes it very serious and is passionate about making sure that people understand the digital inspection process.
I send out information and now I don't call immediately. They might Google it, they might call another shop, they might do X, Y, Z.
Mom's in the silent gen. She's got a smartphone. Boomer's got phones. Gen X, everybody's got a smartphone now.
As a shop owner, the biggest thing that I'm looking for is to be able to provide a better service to the customer, so they're more informed about what's actually going on with their car, because things get lost in translation when you tell them, pictures worth 1,000 words versus trying to explain it to them. And also to use the other parts of the software to make the shop more efficient.
This workshop is designed for the person that's never seen AutoVitals product, to the person that's maybe using it but not using it to its full capacity, or the experienced user that's looking to improve what's already going pretty well. The ultimate goal for this is we want to put more money in the bank. We want our shops to do better, and by doing that we can reach our customers in a different way, educate them on what's going on, and give them the buying power, and hopefully increase the approval rate in your shop.
The data is the same. If you follow these best practices, you get your motorist research time up, they buy more stuff.
Because the better I can do, the better the techs can do, the better the company does.
I saw people walking out of there with pages of notes, so I think we connected good, and I think that folks are going to get back in there and implement those best practices, and we'll be watching to make sure that the needle's moving in the right direction, and just keep applying that pressure and keep helping them until they get to where they want to be.